Welcome back to the channel. If you even look at your backyard and wish for a bit more gardening but without space at last, then a pallet gardening made explore what's your need. Today I going to take your thought the full January of pallet mean build pallet gardening for select the pallet all that words to plan and style the final layout. It's simple, affordable, and integrating style explore. One you see your palette thought in something. Choose the right palette. The first step of my palette gardening project was find the right palette. Now even palette is soft for plants, so I make such to look for one stored with HT, which mean at hard drive and look from harmful misting access the one with MB step become those are chaptering traditional and not some for a gardening. I check a few look washout and hardwood spotted more place are happy to give always pallet are free if old have middle. I pick one with board and maximum card. A good pallet save your honoring of replying work lasting, clean and protective with pallet. One eye break the pallet house. The next step was clean a brush of wash steam with water and less theme in the sun would is the work with and one attach more when you start plan if clean I got some sending pro and night all edge. This is affording but it make the palette look clean and provide then adding it less for outdoor I expect then later of clean wood one the first and side I expect the back those with sand the wood clone bring decision on the gardening style those are main away to create a palette gardening versatile harmonium freestanding or wall movement I wash something space save yard full and vibrant appear so I check a versatile palette gardening versatile palette gardening